Hey guys, I'm Tim Burton. I'm the general manager at Ben's Heating and Air Conditioning, and today we're going to be looking at furnace filters. We recommend that you change out your furnace filter every 4 to 6 weeks, and that's dependent upon usage. So some people might have to change them out a little bit sooner, sometimes maybe a little bit later. Totally depends on your filter setup. Right next to me I've got this generic 80% efficient furnace. Most of you at home are going to have a filter setup similar to this style. If for some reason you got something a little bit newer, a little bit different, feel free to drop a message below or give us a call in the office. Someone can definitely help you out in locating the filter. So before we get started, most important thing first is to turn off the power. So most furnaces are going to be labeled on your electrical panel, and we can see that ours is labeled on the number 7 spot. Sometimes it's a little bit harder to find it over on the panel, so I like to get a flashlight out just to verify I'm not turning off the computers and the missus is going to get frustrated. So there's number 7. It's on this 15 amp single pole. We're going to go ahead and flip that off. And I heard the furnace kick off. Some people might prefer to turn their system off from the thermostat first, but either way, you're not going to harm anything. So now that it's off, we'll go look at the filter. All right, so on this furnace, we have an upper door and a lower door, and typically you're gonna have a door with slots in it, and that's gonna be where the burners are located. That's not gonna be where the filter is. So we wanna take off this upper door first. This style simply lifts up 1/4 inch, pops out. Next, we're gonna locate the filters. And this setup, we've got 2 filters up above the blower motor. They're in at an angle, shaped like a V. So I'm going to go ahead and reach my hand in there, grab one filter out at a time. I'll pull it out, inspect it, pull the next one out, check it out, see if it's time to replace. So now that I got the filters out, I can go ahead and give it a look. I can see it's probably been a few months since these filters were changed out. Sometimes technicians or homeowners will write on the edge of the filter so they can document when the filter was changed out. These ones were not written, and so today I am going to recommend that Mrs. Smith replace these filters and get some new ones put in so that she has clean air quality inside the house. So yeah, the filters go right back in the same way they go out, and they'll have an arrow pointed on them directing the airflow of the air coming through the return and into the furnace. They'll always point towards the equipment. So you can see on your filters, there's going to be an arrow indicating which direction they need to face. So in this case, you've got one up at a V, airflow is pointing down, that's how it's going to get filtered. The importance of changing out filters is huge. You've got motors inside of the furnace that operate whenever you have a call for heating or a call for cooling, or you're running the summer fan. When the filter starts getting plugged up, it causes a lot of stress on the motors, causes a higher amp draw, and causes the equipment to break down more frequently. It also increases runtime, and it's a lot harder for it to push the air through, so you're going to have a comfort issue inside as well. On top of all of that, now you have poor indoor air quality. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. If you have any questions about maintenance or filters in general, give us a call here at Ben's Heating, 503-233-1779. Your comfort is our calling.